Big up Trinidad.
This is Hexting, we own them, don't like Obama shot spinning on them.
Hold on there. This is not genocide, this is not Gaza. Hold on, go on.
So boy feel like your dancer, don't know, you know.
Boom! What's good YouTube? It's a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Now we are ready to go back over Grenada people. As me I say, we have Contagious featuring Toxic. Two of the baddest artists I'm reacting from Grenada so far. You understand my man? So that one name Isle Up and Clean. As me I say, them dead rhythm 2020 dancer. As me I say, and the last Grenada song I reacted to was called Muddy, and they was cooking. His name is Muddy. The artist's name was Muddy, and he was the song was called Lockdown. Basically, I asked what you guys was cooking. He was cooking the national dish in the video. It's called Isle Down. That thing look like how called turn, call me like Jamaica that, but thanks. I just like when you guys communicate with me, dog. So I'm asking something and tell me what I go on, dog. I really like that. You see me? So thank you for your love and support as usual. Please subscribe to the channel, guys, if you guys are new. You understand me? Comment on this video to see your comment to the next video that I post, and I post every single day, 2 to 3 to 4 times for the day. You understand me? And I only post 2 videos a day if I don't really feel the vibes. You understand me? You know? But guess what? Today I try to post more than 2 because I'm kind of down to the still. But I chat about that. No, we're going to run tune people. Comments them done? Yeah, man, comments them done. So much comments no comment on the last Grenada video I'm doing, man. You know, alright. What's there to talk about? Cap the run tune merch and the reaction is the like merch if you know really want to support channel. You see me I say? Merch them down below in the description. Scroll down, you see them. Me I say. Like the video. Drop the 5 emoji them. Comments done now. Alright. Run tune!
Be the smoke test. Yo, Noah X.
Noah X, hold on, pause. Noah X, big up your bumbuckle bell. Self, you me I say. Big up yourself. Go on!
So boy feel like your dancer, don't know, you know.
Big up Trinidad.
Genocide, now the Gaza. This is Hexting, we own them, don't like Obama shot spinning on them.
Hold on there. This is not genocide, this is not Gaza. Hold on, go on!
So boy feel like your dancer, don't know, you know. This are no for genocide, now the Gaza. This is Hexting, we own them, don't like Obama shot spinning on them. Like the will pan them outside, them dead in the scheme. All pan the fucking plaza, yeah. All of the talks in a X-team and design.
Yeah!
The rise up, the right from them. Pan the boy, them come and a step on the slayers, them better. Cause we guns them isle up and clean. Boy,
that same guns them isle up and clean, but what are the people? I mean, say that if you say it too, say a big cutlass man them use over Grenada. That's like it. This one cutlass for the cover work. Gun you see. And then the man say him guns them isle up and clean. Yo, watch out, I read back in your tune a little bit. Alright, drop it too.
Boy get dead from him, this the X-team. We war them hard and to the extreme. Hard out and I just turn up this.
Yeah.
We guns them isle up
and clean.
Boy get dead from him, this the
X-team.
We war them hard and to the extreme.
Yeah.
Toxic.
No pause, hold on. So the X-team included D1, right? Contagious. Oh no, this is all up on the instrumental and so. Me don't know. Y'all comment down below who's Noah X. Oh, X-team. I just like Noah, Instagram. Let me know what I go on. Run tune!
This game up.
Shot both nozzles smoke like Reza. TG hot cool like him live in a freezer. D1 say easy now but me want me visa. Toxic but try control your trigger finger.
Toxic but this
in a want me don't linger.
Yeah.
Never hesitate to use the index finger.
Yeah.
Never had those problems. Boy you forget murder. X-team at the baddest thing in a Grenada.
Oh my God! I'm clean. Yeah, them don't want to say X-team and they want to Steven and Grenada, but people, hold on there again, people. This is a gun song, right? That's how I'm asking to right now. This is really from Grenada, from my Jamaicans watching me. Is this really from Grenada? Tell me, say this is like a normal gun song from Jamaica. But if you understand, say, dancehall is not only Jamaica again. So, we're going to stop saying them sound like Jamaica. A dancehall right now. That me I go start say. Because dancehall now. And music at the end of the day. We're not going to say them sound like the band, like the man there. And music, a dancer. You hear me? Go on.
The extreme. We war them hard and to the extreme. Hard out and I just turn up this game.
Yeah.
We guns them.
I love and clean.
Boy get dead from him this
Extreme.
We war them hard and to the extreme.
Yeah.
Toxic. We are turn up this game.
Yeah.
Holy pa max, holy pa glocks, holy pa rifle, holy pa shotgun, holy pa shots. I couldn't be the boy I chat, but mostly me tabax. The way me love me both gun like me tune them through the speaker box.
Mama class.
And the whole of them, they never know me. The mother them make it jump.
Run back. Go on now.
Tabax the way me love me both gun like me tune them through the speaker.
Come now.
Me name toxicer than the whole of them. They never know me. The mother them make it jump. And them just see we take away this whole family.
Oh, what?
Like drive by pon them and scale them and
That's something like collaboration, dad. Any kind of collaboration I really react to. Me like when the man them do bar for bar. Me like when man say what a whole verse and next man say what a whole verse. They ever say to me the reaction them. That's something really collaboration them. And the man play with the instrumental right with your dog. Bumbo clown where got some people. Oh, I'm never gonna run through mercy, but we're gonna run through.
Guns them I love.
Clean.
Boy get dead from him this extreme. We war them hard and to the extreme. Hard out and I just turn up this game. And we guns them
I love
and clean. Boy get dead from him this extreme. We war them hard and to the extreme. You toxic. We are turn up this game. Cause we guns them I love.
Sound bad. If you sang but I want to sleep with the fire emotion down below the comment section right now. And run up on the like button. You did me I say. And if you don't watch the song here, again, listen to the song again, run go over now my X channel. You see me I say. I'm going to go over there and subscribe. I'm making you listen to the reaction boss. Send on the back over there so. Thanks for checking out the boys video guys. It's been a boy Ty the reaction boss. And trust me, at the start of the day, I never really, I think from last night dog, some fucker pissed me about yo. Just by making a video I feel better dog. That's how I really do YouTube now dog. Just by making that video, I really feel better. So you know, I'm going to do 2 more video right now. You see me I say? Yeah, man, big up for yourself. Yo, I feel much better. Just by making a video, dog. Channel star. Peace out.